Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and finally we have our new version of Google Chrome. The web browser has moved to version 127, and there's not a lot of front-facing features really. It's mostly under the hood where there's a lot of developer things that are happening. But there is one thing that's extremely important, is that it fixes a big number of security flaws, 24 in total. So if you go to the upper right and the three vertical dots, you go into Help, go into About Google Chrome, you'll be moved to version 127.0.6533.73, 74, or 72, depending on what version you are using. And a lot of diverse security flaws. There's some memory leaks, memory problems. There is some memory corruption issues. There's a heap buffer overflow issue. And pretty much every type of modules, even the downloads, are affected by a flaw. So it's extremely important. Most are high severity security flaws. So what that means, it's extremely important to fix and update your Google Chrome, even if you don't care about new features, even if there's really not that much to talk about. One thing for sure, 24 security flaws of high severity are important to fix. That's your first line of defense. And that also means that the versions for your Chromium browsers will soon be bumping up by one also. And these security flaws are going to be in the Chromium browsers like Brave, Edge, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on. So it's extremely important to fix that. So check for your updates on your favorite browser to make sure that it is going to be up to date with the security flaws. And from what we know, no 0 days, but at least a lot of high severity security flaws in here. So Google Chrome 127 now available. It was released late yesterday, the 23rd of July. And rolling out today. As they always say, it takes several days for everybody to have it. Most people will have it, by simply opening their browser and will have a update that's been done. So this is the new version of Chrome available now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.